Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be stuffing my sinking funds and my savings challenges. So let's get started. Let's get everything ready, I guess. Okay, so we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 509, I believe. So you know what? It's bothering me that they're not all the same way. So let's go in and fix that. These are all the same way. 100 is the same way. Okay, so let's get started with our budget binder, our sinking fund, sorry. Okay, so for Sway is going to be getting $41 this time. So here's 20, 40, and 1, and actually I have $2 extra, so I'm just gonna put those in here. So Sway now has 100, 200, 20, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Okay, car maintenance is going to get $20 this time. So let's put a 20 in here. So car maintenance now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So 525. Not bad, not bad. Like I said last time, you guys, I think 500 is plenty, so I'm just going to be putting little bits here and there into it. Car registration is going to be getting $20. So now car registration has 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, and 80. So 280. It's not bad. I said I wanted to get it to 400 because my registration normally is about 3 something, so it's not bad. We're almost there, and this is for next year, not this year. So we're very ahead on that one. Car insurance is going to be getting $20. So car insurance now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. So 595. Almost there, almost 600, but I'm trying to get it to 1100. So, and I need that by January, so I think we're well on our way. Okay, so Christmas is going to be getting $40. So that's 20, 40. So now it has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So 835. It's not bad. Ideally, I wanted it at 1500, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get there, so I'm just gonna keep adding and see where I get to. Okay, for medical, I am not gonna add anything to this. Laundry is going to get $20, and I haven't done laundry, as you guys can see, but I will sometime this week. So now laundry has 100, I wish, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so now vacation is going to be getting $20. And I already told you guys I was going to be taking my 2K challenge. So this is, this probably will be for my plane ticket. So vacation now has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Okay, 449. Not bad. Although I don't think that's enough for Vegas, but we're gonna make it work, you guys. We're gonna make it work. Why is this not going down? Okay, there we go. Okay, Momo and Demon are going to be getting $20. So they now have 100, 200, 20. And I do need to get my cat neutered, so that is going towards that. Okay, couponing is not going to get anything, and retirement is also not getting anything this time. So let's do my savings challenge. So my savings challenges, I only have my 2K savings challenge in here that I'm doing currently. I'm going to be doing these two later in the future. So for my 2K savings challenge, I am going to put in here $59. So here's 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So the 2K savings challenge now has, this is very thick. I need to condense this one for sure. So this one now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1,000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay. Yep. This one I'm going to condense it and take it to the bank because I don't want to have all this money in here. But that will be on my prop swap video. Oh my god, I had trouble putting this in last time because it's so thick. So let's try putting these in first. And then we'll put this in. Oh my god, I need to condense this ASAP. Okay. I think that's as good as it's gonna get, so that's okay. Alright, so I'm not doing these yet, which is a medium mystery challenge and Pink X Budget's Diamond Challenge, so we will start those soon. But I do have my 100 envelope challenge, which I have the envelopes right over here. We are going to be doing 93, 50, 49, and 48. So let's put those in. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and 48. Is this gonna go? I don't see it going. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Okay, and like I said, this is getting really hard to put in, so oh my god, look at this. I didn't even put it in all the way, and you can tell. Oh well. No, not oh well, because it's bugging me now. These bills are really old, that's why they won't go in. Okay, there we go. Okay, for the 93, I had decided I'm just gonna put $100 in here. So let's just do that. We're gonna put 20, 40, 45, 50. Sorry for the lighting, you guys. It's very gloomy outside, and my indoor lighting isn't any better, so I had to do what I had to do. And 49, so 20, 40, 45, 50. Why do I have an extra 5? And this is 48. I must have messed up somewhere. Oh well, we're gonna add it and call it a day. It'll be a nice surprise when I take all of it out, right? You guys, it's getting harder and harder to stuff this in here. And it looks like it's sticking out, but it's this thing that won't go in. So let's, how am I gonna do this? You guys, I can't even, oh my god, look at this. So I'm gonna choose 3 for the next time. And y'all don't understand how hard it is to get this out. Oh my god. And these claws aren't letting me either. Okay. I'm gonna do 4 since I picked a 5 and 5 is a small number. Okay, so the numbers we have are 98, 69, 13, and 5 for the next time. So we're gonna leave these on top, and I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this because this isn't not fitting anymore. All right, you guys, that is it for my video. If you have any questions or suggestions or comments, please leave them down below. Make sure to check out my Etsy shop. I do have these bills available These are placeholders. They're gold foil placeholders. And I have them in 100, 500, 1000, and 5000. Yeah, so go ahead and check them out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.